Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best bicycle repair stands you can buy right now. I made this list based in my personal opinion, and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, features and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best bicycle repair stands, we'll have the product for you. So let's get started with the video. Coming into 5th place we have the Yaheetech Pro Mechanic. Has pre-drilled holes in the feet, allowing you to permanently install it in a commercial bike shop or home workshop. It's equipped with an adjustable handlebar rod to keep the front wheel from swiveling. It features a wide height adjustment range and folds up when not in use, and good value for the performance. Coming in 4th place we have the Venzo VPT. Mounts to a workbench and can extend or rotate to multiple positions to let you access any part of your ride. It's equipped with a quick-release mechanism on the clamp and backed by a lifetime warranty, and takes up much less space than a floor-standing model. It features a protective coating for durability and quick and simple setup process, and powerful jaws prevent slippage. Coming in 3rd place we have the Park Tool PC's 10.2 is made for serious home mechanics who plan to make tweaks and adjustments on a regular basis. It can accommodate a wide range of frames, which means you will be able to help out friends and family with their bikes as well. It features a tool platform with hanging holes, and jaw covers can be replaced as needed, and clamps vertically or horizontally. Coming in 2nd place we have the Bike Hand YC100BH. Has a clamp that can attach to the seat post or top tube, making it a versatile option. A built-in tray allows for easy tool and parts organization and retrieval, and the shaft doesn't flex under heavy loads, giving you stability while you work. It features a quick-release adjustment knobs and nicely padded jaws and tough aluminum alloy body. We have the, as the name says, the Feedback Sports Pro Ultralight, about $180. Does not weigh much at all, yet it is still super sturdy. Its red, rust-resistant aluminum tubing gives it a bright, polished appearance that makes it suitable for a professional setting. It features a can support up to 65 pounds and extremely compact when not in use, and height adjusts from 42 to 71 inches.